Wheels of Elegance, where luxury meets motion.
Welcome back to Wheels of Elegance, and today we're diving deep into the extraordinary 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a marvel that blends coach-built opulence with rolling functionality. Right from the start, you sense the unmistakable presence of Rolls-Royce's signature, Pantheon grille and the spirit of ecstasy front and center. The silhouette is elegant yet commanding, every curve purposefully sculpted to marry aerodynamic efficiency with that timeless luxury aesthetic. The sleek finishes and LED matrix headlights give it an almost automotive elegance you'd never expect on a motorhome. Step inside and you're enveloped in Abe Spoke Sanctuary, crafted from hand-stitched leather, polished hardwoods, plush wool, carpets and custom fabrics chosen to reflect your personal taste. Your eyes are drawn to the lounge area, designed to rival a five-star hotel suite, with ergonomic seating, ambient lighting, and storage cleverly integrated throughout. The kitchen lives up to that same level of extravagance, equipped with an induction cooktop, convection oven, wine chiller, refrigerator, and even an automated coffee machine, making gourmet cooking on the road effortless. Continue through to the master suite, where a king-sized bed awaits. Dressed in the finest linens and surrounded by soft mood lighting and ample storage, the ensuite bathroom is full-sized and luxurious, with marble accents, premium fixtures, and a shower designed for relaxation and rejuvenation after a long drive. You also have smart home integration in the cabin, touchscreen panels, AI-powered voice assistant, and biometric entry that bring modern convenience to old-world craftsmanship. On the performance side, under the elegant exterior lies serious engineering. The powertrain is anticipated to be a V12 with hybrid capabilities, producing rolly 563 horsepower and 627 lb-ft off-to-cube. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. And there's even talk of a 30-kilo lithium-ion battery and regenerative braking to assist the hybrid system. Expect adaptive air suspension, all-wheel drive, off-road tires, and features like hill descent control. So, this motorhome isn't just for paved roads, but also capable of handling tougher terrain with ease. On the road, this motorhome likely delivers a whisper-quiet ride thanks to advanced noise cancellation and Rolls-Royce's signature suspension tuning, the so-called magic carpet ride. So, it remains serene even when negotiating highway speeds. You'll reach up to 155 terts if you're inclined, with estimated fuel efficiency around 15-20 minutes, depending on hybrid usage and conditions. Of course, such a level of opulence comes with a price tag that matches its prestige. Starting prices in USD are rumored to hover around $450,000. Though with bespoke upgrades and custom finishes, that figure could climb substantially, especially when you add solar roof panels, extended battery power, or tailored exterior finishes. Keep in mind, maintenance and servicing will require certified Rolls-Royce care, increasing ownership costs accordingly. Despite the high cost, the exclusivity and craftsmanship are unmatched. You're not just buying transport, you're acquiring a statement on wheels, a mobile palace that stands apart from any standard RV. Maneuvering in tight spaces might be a challenge due to its considerable length and width, and parking could require pre-planning. Fuel and upkeep costs are steep, and production is expected to be limited, making it even harder to find, but also enhancing its collectible allure. So, when you combine that iconic Rolls-Royce design, opulent interior craftsmanship, strong hybrid performance, and state-of-the-art tech, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome emerges as a pinnacle of luxury travel, one that transports you in sublime comfort and unmatched style, albeit with an equally extraordinary investment. Thanks so much for watching Wheels of Elegance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews of the world's most extraordinary vehicles. See you next time.